Hey yo, hold up. First off, why you making this personal? Just because my check engine light is on doesn't mean my car is falling apart.
Bro, your car is literally asking for help.
Nah, that's just how it communicates. It's like a little reminder that it's still alive.
It's a cry for help. That's not still alive. That's on life support.
Nah. Look, man, mechanics just want your money. They tell you to change your oil every 5,000 miles. But I read somewhere, a Reddit post or something, that you can go 15,000 easy. Oil is oil, man. It's all the same.
This right here is why we can't have nice things.
Bro, relax. Cars are built to last.
Not if you treat them like a disposable razor. Let me explain something to you in simple terms. Oil breaks down. It gets contaminated. Over time, it stops lubricating properly. And when that happens, metal parts start grinding against each other. You know what that leads to?
Team bonding?
Engine failure. Catastrophic engine failure. That Reddit post you saw? Probably written by a guy who's now taking a bus. Look, we both know why he's here. It's the age-old mistake. We thought maybe we can fix him. Maybe, just maybe, if we expose him to just enough logic, he'd evolve. But here we are, season 5 of Disappointment, the series.
Aw, you thought you could change me? That's adorable. That's like trying to make a fish ride a bicycle. It ain't happening, buddy. But hey, keep dreaming.
And it's not just oil either. People out here are ignoring their brakes like they're gonna fix themselves.
Okay, hold on. Brakes are expensive, and as long as the car stops eventually, we're good.
Eventually? Bro, that's the difference between stopping at a red light and stopping inside somebody's living room.
Brake pads wear down. When they do, the rotors take damage. And once the rotors are gone, congratulations. You now need a whole new braking system. But sure, brakes are expensive. You know what's more expensive? Medical bills.
Man, y'all just paranoid. I've been driving like this for years, and my car is fine. It still gets me where I need to go.
For now.
Y'all sound like my mom.
Bro, your mom cares about you. Your car doesn't.
Exactly. Your car is a machine. It doesn't tough it out. It either works or it doesn't. When it doesn't, you'll be left stranded on the side of the road, calling the same mechanics you didn't want to pay to begin with.
Oh, manifesting an ad right now. Deep breaths. Visualize the monetization. And go. That didn't work, huh? Guess I should have visualized a paycheck instead.
And let's talk about tires for a second. Some of y'all out here driving around on rubber so bald, it should qualify for a senior discount.
Tires are expensive too, man. Y'all act like we all got money just sitting around for new tires every time they look a little worn.
A little worn? Bro, your tread is so gone, I can see the air inside your tires.
Not to mention, bald tires turn your car into a 3,000-pound slip and slide. But sure, save a couple $100 and risk hydroplaning into traffic. Great investment.
Okay. But look, worst case scenario, my car breaks down, right? I'll just get another one.
Oh yeah? With what money?
Tax return season is coming up.
And there it is. The financial strategy of the unprepared.
Look, all jokes aside, your car is an investment. Whether it's a $3,000 beater or a $50,000 luxury sedan, it's getting you from point A to point B. Treat it with some respect, and it'll take care of you. Neglect it, and well, enjoy that bus pass.
Man, y'all making me feel bad about my car.
Good. That means we're making progress.
But let me ask you, what's the worst thing you've ever seen happen to a car due to neglect? Drop it in the comments. I'm here. I see you. I'm trying to.
I mean, you could leave without hitting the bell, but that's a choice. A questionable one, but still a choice.